Before you go into the Live Test Administrator interface and log in, there are a few things you'll want to do to your laptop device. One is you're going to want to change your energy saver settings, because the last thing you want to have happen is for your display or your computer to go to sleep while you have a test session in place that is going on. So you'll want to make that change. The other thing you'll want to do is you want to allow the Live Test Administrator interface to have pop-ups come up. So you're going to want to enable pop-ups or disable the pop-up blocker, and that will depend on which browser you are using. I will show you how to do that for both Chrome and for Safari. So let's get started first of all with our energy settings. So I'm going to go to the Apple menu and select System Preferences, and yours will probably look like this. In the second row, I've got Energy Saver right here. I'm going to click on that, and what I'm going to do is select Battery, and I'm going to move the little slider to Never. And then I'm going to go to Power Adapter and change that to Never as well. And it keeps telling you, never letting your display go to sleep may shorten its life. That's true, but I'm going to go back to this after I'm all done with my testing and change my settings back to like 20 minutes or so, because I'm only doing this so that my display never goes to sleep in the middle of a test session. So that's the last thing we want to have happen. So I can close out of System Preferences now. The next thing I want to do is I want to allow pop-ups to come up in my browser. So I'm going to go, I've got Chrome running currently right now, so I'm going to go to the Chrome menu and select Preferences. So finding pop-ups can be a little tricky, so I'm going to just type the word pop in the search field there, and I'm going to click Content Settings, and I scroll down and there is pop-ups. So I'm going to check the radio button that says Allow all sites to show pop-ups, and then click Done. Next, I'm going to go into Safari and I'm going to do the same thing, a little bit different though. I'm going to go to the Safari menu and I'm going to go to Preferences, and then I'm going to click on Security, and I'm going to uncheck Block Pop-up Windows. And now I'm all set to start my test session.